Hi there. Today, we're going to show you how to create your very own NFT using the OpenSea website. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. NFTs or non-fungible tokens are unique digital assets that allow you to own and showcase digital art, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. And OpenSea is the largest marketplace for NFTs on the web. To get started, all you have to do is go to the OpenSea website and click on the Create button. Next, you'll need to select the type of NFT you want to create. For this demonstration, we'll be creating a custom digital asset, but you can also create NFTs for your collectibles, virtual real estate, or any other unique digital item you can think of. Now, you'll need to fill out the required information for your NFT, such as the name, description, and image. This information will be visible to potential buyers and collectors on the OpenSea marketplace. So make sure to put in the time to create an attractive and informative listing. Once you've finished filling out the required information, you can upload an image for your NFT and set the price. OpenSea accepts payments in Ethereum or Polygon, so make sure you have either of these cryptocurrencies in your wallet. Once you've finished setting everything up, all you have to do is click on the Create NFT button. And your NFT will be created and listed on the OpenSea marketplace for everyone to see. And that's it. With OpenSea, creating your very own NFT is simple and straightforward. Whether you're an artist, a collector, or just someone who loves the idea of owning unique digital assets, NFTs are an exciting new frontier, and OpenSea is the perfect place to get started. So go ahead and give it a try, and let your creativity soar.